Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add money to your OnePay card using your phone. Let's get started. First, open the OnePay app on your phone and make sure you are logged in to your account. Once you are logged in, tap on Card or My Card from the bottom menu to see your OnePay card list. Select the OnePay card you want to add money to. You will see an option that says Add Money or Top Up. Tap on it. Next, enter the amount you want to load onto your card. You can type in custom amount or select the present option depending on the app. After that, choose your payment method. You can usually use a bank account, debit card or credit card to add money. Make sure your payment details are correct. Once everything is entered, tap confirm or add money. The app may send a one-time password OTP through SMS or email to verify your transaction. Enter the OTP. After the transaction is confirmed, your OnePay card balance will be updated immediately and you can use it for purchase, online payment or transfer. Double check your card balance after topping up to make sure the money was added correctly, and also keep an eye out for any small transaction fees depending on your payment method. And that's it, you have successfully added money to your OnePay card phone. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.